Okay, so I'm going to discuss very important one. How to advertise your Vimeo and Dailymotion video and using SEO, search engine optimization. First of all, select any one video and add on your particular search results. Prepare your title and description. Prepare your title and description. So I'm pasting here. Then enter integration 2.99 lakhs in Hyderabad. Here, only for one more is for Telangana. Control here. First, go to your admin panel. Login admin panel. What are the video you are posting on your particular post? Each post you can separate video you also post, and same post into you can upload by the two videos. Add new post. Select your title. Language will English. Category will be, you can call news. In this post here, title and description. Provide. Apartments. Individual house. Interior scene. You're writing for any places your wish. You can add by multiple places. Early, KPHP, and Miyapur. Why I can promote by multiple areas. Keyword is same. I'm promoting for multiple areas. So what are the areas are required? So everything you can promote it. So in this, what are the areas are required? Go for done. It's clear. Now, very important one is called image. Any post will be added by your image option. Go for it. Done. Next, we're adding for videos. Videos adding will be very important. Select any one video. Now click for play. Now click for play. And after click for pause. You click for share. Click for embed code. The video will be play for two options, autoplay and manual play. Autoplay and manual play. So we'll go for manual or autoplay, your wish. But in Dailymotion, video 2, we can go for earnings. We can go for manual play. Select the video. Select your source. Paste here. Source will be disabled. After enable, add the code. Source will be disabled. Adding for some information about this content. I'm selecting content. Copy the content. Select your notepad. What are the content you're selecting? Any website to website or what document to website? Copy first in Notepad, paste here, video done. Next, you can add by any Vimeo video, select it, here also share, where we can go for embed code, we go for embed code and copy. This will be first paste on your notepad. This, what are the code will be happen? Let's see this one on the iframe and the script code. Based on channel, what is that? They will showing for iframe code. So what is the purpose of? We only select by the iframe code and copy, where you can paste for admin panel, enable source code and paste it. If you play the video automatically, after ID, question mark auto play is equal to 1. But we know don't play for automatically. Click for submit. Click for submit. What is the code you mentioned? Everything on your particular site, on your website, add by your total 2 videos. Open it. I'll play the 2 videos. You can see this. Image and content is a video and a second video. They play automatically or not? Not automatic. Why? I'm not give automatic video. So play here. See this ad. When it is not play the video on this particular video, the earning will be more. Always remember, Dailymotion. What are the video play on website? The earnings are more. The earnings are more. This is a very, very important point on the Dailymotion videos. That is called, what are the video to advertise on using SEO? First, any video to play on the website, you use by manual play videos. The Vimeo not accepting for earnings. So only video will play for this option. Is it clear? This will be you can do for SEO off page search engine, off page for social bookmarking, and do for classified. Promote this link along with the videos. This is called marketing method from promoting for Dailymotion and Vimeo videos, using for one link, using for multiple keywords. Major part, what are the content you are adding? Along with phone number also will be mandatory, and adding the particular content along with the videos. So this is called to advertise Dailymotion and Vimeo videos along with the Dailymotion earnings.